Ni Jumamosi ya tariki 26 kuwatewenekire Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mbitawa MUTEMBEI edonda. MCA Wanjia Mwendali auwite batitikirie MCA ba county ya Meru bokumondwane ya kisiasa dingi no ntumeru ndonere no tongere boboya burabenda hariwa kaitaka niko karandi na kuritira Meru ngwe no ntu nikyo Meru bethera bakirira kirimi yake na nusu ithirite ara kurari no tongeria butiaidi nethirite taria mantu ya na ra ithirite yake na mantu igi tenti na iti kire kuru ntere chomuringene kire wondi ya njia Iembe Central. Nicola Chavari aina riboti.
Nkorani na bora gwakari agombere gita aria ngavana Kawira Mwangaza na ara MCA baingi batironekana bagikaranira akube na anto baraba bathurite ojo ne MCA wa wandi ya njia twe Mwenda Ali akiaraniria na ikundi ikia muringene self help group
bati tu MCA ba Meru ituwire tutiringe tumarengi itumakira kutukuringare ndikia maendeleo tukirita nguisha kwa empowerment mashinani kushumia kurura mashibitari yetu kubwithia barabara cia ntura cietu kurura irasi bya ECD kurura polytechnic ichungu ire tukuruta thai
na kirengugeire imwakuga icho banjirite kuruta cha gutetheria anto bakwao ni kuleta kinya tenti iraretete ikiri gikundi giki tenti ya ite 50 iraba kuchokia nkatho bakiwa ikathina mbena kubatethia bonene
ni mwe program ire twina social empowerment ukilukira thirikari ya mutumo ntwe thingia na program ire twambiririe na ngwitige kikundi kia bina twenderetie tent na kwina proposal nyingi muno ireti ni kundi na kwina njira nyingi muno tubangite otethi kundi bibingi nturene cietu na yaiyara ya mwetu kurita twina thirikari no ntuthai kwina ngwataniro rira kwari na menge ri kuo Meru manto ya yatakarika
tukureterwa tent na ite twareterwa mheshimiwa Mwenda Ali itomushokeria nkatho na ke tent ye ingwete kike murandi yatu na yo kundine ya tutetheria na twina mibango mingi muno kundine yetu na inkomenya twino twendelea mwira mathina yetu tutethia na tueta mbere
ngwitikia tenti ye ikatuma twite kuraya rira twamikomboranithia mbeca ira tuketha tukiona kuma kiriyo ngwitikia tukethera tukibwithia manto mianya okulukire kundi no tethania mwekuru na ungi tusemanitia no ntubwa utethia mwekuru na mwekuru ungi nikenda twaukirania
toki nkatho inyingi muno no tuthai mheshimiwa wetu gawe mheshimiwa Mwenda Ali urawe deputy speaker Meru County ni kuona ruare autokila mutero yo mu thina ikundi gange kuro iriko ngekuruire bakomarte tenti kugago tatone kundi kwenda gutethia mwana ta skulu gatu mushangire ta skulu ningo tiga tuga kwandika barua kere kundi ke ningo tiga batwa more than 10,000 okulukira tenti iriko au tomba kuringaringira mheshimiwa Mwenda Ali
Nkoroki Mwenda Ali akiromba kinya korona baiba thinambe na kwibungabungania na ikundi nontu ikundi byo byomba kuthinambe na kunika bonene kumani na thirikari
imizo kere antu banjiara bonde bari ukethro te kundine ukume kundine na thirikari ina njira nyingi muno ciotethia antu nya antu betu arume ikundi tibia kina mama aki ikundi ni antu ara antu bombo koloma bakaibanga ora bombo change miturire yo na njira nyingi muno na thaito ucio metie muno njia kinya wazee na vijana laiba kuregister ikundi
akoro beto ntuko ibele to yani kwena ntwara ikundi betu ikashe torenge koro koringa na yara tubwetha sinya kumanine ikundi mwankanja cietu ibele to yaoni bethera ndena meni ikundine na imbera murungu ibano ntu twetaboya
kubanjia Iembe Central Petan Class Chabari
kenda kwa irithio wendi Meru atongerie ba matatu ni bethite baitaria barabara ibati utumika kire muci munene yo mutindo kenda kurieria mpinyano kuringana no tongerie ba matatu ni ati ngo ya matatu itibatere kwithire kiangaratania ngo ingi bado ne bete kandidate na thirikari account ro bakarutaniria ngo kenda kwa irithio muci yo mutindo iro bangiri gutwikithwa city
irinjire mwe gutigirana ndi ikwagirithio gendi ndene mutirio kangangi na ndi matatu cionthe amba matatu aya ndene kaunti Meru nwe boaraje
itwichwirite ruti yecho nontu uteo utengare bati kwijira consultant bank ya ibati gwetera absent area ikaita banyuma matatu peke yake tutena mathina na batu ngari personal kana ne ngine kaumira ndera kenda tumba kurigeria congestion yo kana boiling yumba kuthira nontu tuthire tienda toiria kenda tuchiandi sweni twingwa te watho bo county te bo municipality kana bo county bwejeta nontu ne nkwenda gwika with the point kiria ibatu twingwa turi atongeria kandi mutongerio matatu ithu turugere ngari cietu itejira gatigati kenda tumba ku put order kana tumba kuthiria boiling nontu itu kumenya nio yumaga
kigo ntububu buthithikite ni kenda kurigire ngarira irathiurunka gatigati ka mutindwa ikioja na yabiria gonto
nontu nandikethea ukethea jotiri iria ukethea biashara nduka iria ukethea ngari cionthe iri njega pako mwaline ningirire kinya customer baba kwija na nteto cionthe atumba kuiruirewe kwa unandi gutwa as chairman kana turi mutongeria wa ngugiekwa ntikwenda ngugiekwa ya murigo kibangi nyani nkwenda ngugiekwa ithwa ine heshima oja babangi
akiugeji ni ngwatana thirikari ya kaunti Meru na ntebo matu nekendo tigiro gendi bobu eba kuthira kachakacha iria onekana kagita karia abira bakuthabeka matwa
nontu kejotaka kinya uria thirikari ingi tutwira gwita ngugi na gutumira ngarama nyingi kana enforcement nyingi batu tuthiriti nyanga bana wetu ngugi murigo jo munene muno nontu kejotaka ngari irathiurunka imwe ijo iretere ndumuru gwita kurwa na maitha jau ja kuthukia antu betu kana ng'ombe cietu kana inya askari barorona nkuruki askari igana street ine mwetu na ingari bakugita buria so na antu bau bondi tugite bangite buria nontu twina ebu batu egukaria ngugi yetu na tukathika na kiturea thika kenda ngugi yetu itetheka na batu tukuria ngugi yetu so na kiroto kia ngabana gikakura kiria kia Meru ni kwenda kwa city na mantu jange mungi na inya biashara betu bongo bakethwa bagwiritu
agitaka kana ndi akiromba mutura onde ukwenda kamaturo nene mutijwa kangangi akinya stage yewe nontu te matatu egetikirwo kojania
ngari batiketha ingari o ngari ina rinya ria are batugikirwa o ngari ina are batiku kukamatira kana yubwiri kwithwa ina services cia sakweyo kwa uro kuona bara kuwa beringe tumane antu bara kuwa batikwenda watho kana batikwenda kwathika na bau na buibuto tetekeria batwe turi antu ba matatu na ketha no kumenya ugwe utingugine matatu tukaingirwa ngugie matatu ugeta stage no mwanko we receipt no mwanko menye ngari ri kwe gita buria kinyo ngo kata gintu giaku ukomba gwita kuthingata no tukamenya wikirirwo ingari menya kana wekirwo inyamena kana wekirwo ameiso no ukomba kuthingata na onda no ntuirio kwina staff wala bare no ntwa kwa abiria betu
muthuri murioki weru weekend mutijoka ngangi
siasa ciete kiongavana kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ciina maitia na mena maatongeria na siasa bakire mwene ndi kwithira bakirita mwerekera yo mirengo era bari yeke siasa mubunge wa Tharaka Jiji Murugara urokomnerie kiongavana kaunti umatane thiritenende chithira kire mirengo ire kwithira mweti umwitikeria kaonaga kumenerwa ni akari na kinyamba mwe ba siasa ndene ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Martin Mwambi na thurandite runo runo otonia urankuchene ciete kiongavana kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kadimi yake limbere ya kithurano kia 2027
Yumia vika inyuma ya mpagaga cia banjeti ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kuthirana kaunti gukarase kumarira chia cha ende ni chokerete kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na njirenge ya mwanya
antu maria makuromba giti kia gavana tafadhali merero ntana ukenda gutuika gavana ithona Tharaka Nithi tigana na muthomo wa njuki
ichokerete na kuruta mubunge wa gicigo mbunge kia Tharaka gitonga Murugara ta mundu wothi na mbere na nkinya mundu wa tongoria barabangi ndeni ya kaunti no wimba uro turitwe MCA wa Karingani Godfrey Mureithi Gaturo
omonde muntu alongamete gite kia gavana ogwetwa njinji akathia kalongama anto makebinga budget akauga nionta ma sponsor mbia nione na mabere mawaidha enderea oathie kotini wa represent monto nebo mwana kumona kelambia akaandika wakili kote tofauti kwa uko tebu acha kombera atele amera gatobingeni budget na ino nuambete komera mutekale bogoti agatweka ngabana nani ngawa totekale bogoti yaruta wiroleko
gitonga Murugara gugitwikaga no yarumitie MCA bamwe mbecha kenda kwangaratania mitaratara yothi na mbere ndeni ya kaunti
kibiriti nyereba ina differences na governor ntewu akiuga ati wamagumoni batikare ogoti ntewu gite kibugwe tikare ogoti Raila Amolo Odinga maandamano marothete monthe Kenya no kumare amberie maandamano otientu ndegwa Raila Amolo Odinga mumo kiongo auga ati bakenya batikare ogoti to kweli Ore oku antu batikare ogoti na no kwenda anabeto babandikito thirikari weno bari wa mishara.
Akiongera ngavana Muthomi Njuki ariuga indi mucere wa njinji ura bakuga nwe mundu wothi na mbere ndeni ya kaunti no utibatiri kwithirwa ukiona muri kiri gicigo mbunge gia Chukegamba Ng'ombe.
Antu mara makona itithiri wa thakanithi ana mate kwaria no kama gititata no akokumona na gwenu mathikoni makethania makaruta kanyamu mange magacha kanithani na mate kwaria ndo mingi mate kuga bore mari makona makwenda ana mate kuruga michere kamuko kana benani mate ko meruga mate kuruga michere leo nemenda kumutuma mona ndo mara menda tabia cia mithembonu o mere kama betitie mukunyo mama macioke nyuma ringi magerekeranie mageritata magerekaniririe ndo mukunyo ngetata onu mathiete onu njira mathiete ne akumathongeria muthorori mani kana muthito tebuichera guogu na kiti wezi patikana kwa fujo okera gantu bera Muthomi Njuki alakurire ni enuke na uria akura ni bora chuthite uliangalia wapi ndio amejua kwa tumanira gwakwa wewe ni muguru wa mono mbere mukagira kira kwa ne matawa tabura na riri kabeci
anga mondo nu wetu njinji adoro mageria ndo muzere kora wa gaturo leuga ndo magaturo makaro mu muzere rengene njinji na gora gaturo wa yoko bebi ndo magu muzere kora dokara wanjoke ne mweganu sina muna hiyo thank you akwegwa lakini na thiere ando make ma Tharaka constituency ne mare bego tikenda oro getao oruteka ananio nkauga mateburi kortero oro gasokoro makera ando mama tekarebe ogoti tauga mare be test namuna hiyo na by the way no atomukanie gocaka uko gasokoro akera ando make matekarebe ogoti.
Njuki ariuga mubunge Gitonga karendaga kubuta makinya make tangavana urori gitini kagitaka na kenda kaja kuthukia utongoria mwanka wa 2027 gakinya make wengwo Ntubura Njuki augite butiumbikana
utiumba kuga ubingithie kuri bwagoti nundu Muthomi Njuki ro gitini keno ona gitinegwe ukaribagia goti kana benani utiumba kwera ndo mabinge budget kenda Muthomi Njuki thirikari takaruta wira kenda ukaruta wira watuika gavana yani pingwe breaki niyo ndikaruta wira kenda ro gwacha kuruta kone kwa rutika muno no wakwira kona gite andu mara makona itithiri wa thakanithi ana mate kwaria no kama gite dada
kiripotera Weru wikendi kuma gicigo mbunge gia Chukegamba Ng'ombe mbitagwa Mateni Mugambi.
Utumiriba barabara ya karama witakara cisho mbunge kia tianis ni bethirite bakiumira na kumeneria mbunge wa Bunene nontuba kuthuka ba barabara ubakiwa itio kiluki kakariba bakiare baruwa ngari cio mona bikibiki itura ngaranchi ni kuthuka nontu barabara u itabu ithuku marabe kirowerane mbunge wa ba imuria kaitene kana chokera babuthire barabara ukenda kwendithia ugendi
kwiba kumite Nairobi kwiba kumite kinya Isiolo na kwiba kumite kinya Tharaka lakini ngari itaomba kinya nontu bora barabara ithuki nontu bora tuthurane ne batu tutethia barabara kuma karama mbaranga karache ngari kugwa ngende gaitugire njire na itakinya bamwe batakinya agethire kinya batakinya nontu bwa barabara kuthuka kou ni nkuromba atongoria bano ntuikabaitete baba inge kwana bati kumenya utengwe baturuterete na kaba kana utewa twatia kinyo mwe babonde utugutango thuri akura no ntombere watu itukora thina sana kinyeru romba mheshimiwa baba ikuonto baina mbeje thirikari ne barute batu injire baba ronto itere tathira baga tuta no ntute bunge tumbikia kwaria tio tuga kwaria inge ne gatwaria tugathuka aturu uteru turi go buru na tuteginya ka project ka thirikari no kari goro ikatuita kwira ole kiundu mwerene batu atugwa tono robone na nya no ntubwa barabara umbete kuthuka yonze kiathone ke tutugura ko ruare ka ungura mwana to mwenda tukubati kwenda twena oba nkuruki antu 5,000 lakini antu batombero kinya ngari ngi chombero tukela karama no ntwa barabara aro ngwane unekere chuma no ntwa barabara kuthuka imari yake ngare ko ngwane unere chuma engiri beptini ndijanga ndombo norarwaro kini bira bitoria retie na bira biria retie ageni barabonde baumete kona yonde ya Meru tukarakari batu yakatote na kindene Meru kana ndene Kenya no ntu barabara ene athukangire eterwe inya imario yaandikwo mwanka barabara ekarama mbaranga yonde nende ni yurakarire munda kana barabara ile tieta kwa ng'ombe roi ante adiaretie duarere kiathone tukwiyite na tukumete antu bakuraya baumete njira cioro barabara tutikona wetera ngare cio mwaite kwana wagwitirie nkuba nina tweterete na twathuranire ajumbe ba MCA ni twabathurire na bategwe yao tutezi kuma ngari imwe nitwe mawitia buruna barabara bwelogi barabara yetu nethoki pio ya kuita kenjo yakuma karama witia mbalanga twaraje barabara ne ndoku buru ando bonde ba anu ba bonde ba kuita ga bonde barabara thina na inya mandrekere tukwenda okwa ni utongoje boboki ngari nyingi antu bonde ba serenda kuma karama witia mauro no ndomo thina barabara ni woni boko blankiromba nyankiromba mwezi wa mpuru barabara ni yaku tafadhali mheshimiwa barabara ni yaili
atoneka nyaga kunoka inchokerete na Nteto ingi
Dial *811 *461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
Matthew chapter 17 verse 20. For I assure you, if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, you will tell this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Amen.
Dial *811 *461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
Peke kabeja na kamutu wake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ni mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi nyangia na kamusere
inyaju twenaju jwambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
moguri wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
She nice na nice extra premium.
One day, you will eat, walk, and talk like royalty. I need you to wake up.
Uko aware this is not a game?
Make it happen.
We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya, mbaya.
An eye for an eye.
What is your family involved in? Go close to take control over the hearts of empire. When you know Mazana.
Moxie Aluminium nio nduka enjero buria hadu ya Meru iria gukwa into bionthe byo kuthongomia nje kuna kinyobisia kuna maguri ja mega turi na into mwanya bithongi ja aluko board sheets, polycarbonate sheets, car sheet net, stainless steel wax, perspex glass, aluminium wax, bathroom cubicle, frameless glass door, glass balconies, glass wax, insulation sheets, locks union kanayil, acoustic ceiling na skylight kana pagola. Turi mita inka ya kiruterero muthomurango nejo gutonyera Greenwood City Mall Meru. Iturugura ntuko chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka Njuma kwambira thejiri charukire mwanka thaa 11 ciogoro yontu bwa Nteto nkuruki yongira nduka yetu kana turingire thimu kurukira 0706 446 198 Bwinthe ipo kwa tiogeni.
Athomi bakathiri na rietwa kapa ni bekite ntuku ya kithomo skulu ya Kinjo kenda kubangira ura baukire kithomo ntereu ni bayanite bia wakira rito na kuluki kuthira betara chari na rito kurumira kithomo ke CBE kenda rito bachukeria ndene uturobo na kinya uchurire ngui kiri nthiguru ya Kenya na kinya ome ya Kenya.
For the 48 years we have been trying to support each other. Na kapa ete munda ete nduka ina nini, we just contribute to iwa mikone yetu tuingwa. We have actually gotten into CBE and there is no going back, there is no turning back. The train already left the station. Wale ambao wako kwa 844, remember you are still in the 844 system. Wale wako form 4, form 3, please, for you we are still looking forward to your very best performance, and your grading will be using the old system. Kobana by form 4 tunaongojea kwa university next year. We may not have the muscle of the government, but we will continue making our little contribution and complementing what the government is doing. One thing we have also not done is to overblow CAPA in a way that eventually it will collapse. No. We want to do that which, we can practically actually deliver.
We thank those founders of CAPA so much for their vision is still on. It has not expired. Parents, please support your children. Don't criticize the weakness of your child, because we are saying every child has a potential.
If we want to improve the quality and value of our lives, and in this case a student's life, then we must ensure that education is life itself by bringing in and putting in resources together so that we can advance the cause of education. The grading system, you are taking 9 subjects, 8 subjects, you'll be graded on the best 7. Si mnajua hiyo? But English and math must be there.
CAPA was being organized in our sitting room, and this is an organization that has really touched so many lives. And I am pleading with everyone, let us embrace this culture of appreciating and growing education. Achia ribeto kana kajirani kedroga tena kalamu. Buy that child that pen, aende shule, and our community is going to grow.
So wenye wata strike, this is a stiff warning. Wenye wata strike, tumekaa kama komiti ya usalama katika sub county. Mukistrike na kuharibu property ya serikali, tutakushughulikia kama mhalifu. We will arrest you, tukuweke cell, asubuhi tukupeleke kotini.
Escorted back with tire.
Gwatana yori moba secondary ni okupeti ne bacumire kumene ne thirikari no ntubo kuita mbeta cia kithomo bakiaria tongere babu wete batikumenya ni tumi thirikari kubwithio ntubo na Kenya bakire ya woti bonene ne bacokete boe karekareke ya kubwithika ikethire ndingwene ne muno kiri mantu yigi kithomo.
4 billion cutting across very many years, which means the government has never had the intention to finance education. They want the parent to pay, but they are not telling them in no uncertain terms. So what we are saying is that in terms of the Constitution and Article 53, education, basic education and free and compulsory, that is what the public must know. So when the finance minister comes out and say, we cannot finance education, yet they are financing what they are calling empowerment, then we don't understand as teachers. The government will be compelled to finance public education because they are taking our taxes. We don't want our taxes to go to what they are calling empowerment. We want them to finance education fully. We want them to finance health fully, because that is what the civilized government do. Otherwise, I think it's very unfortunate for a government to say they are not financing education, because majority of this country, people are overtaxed, and they don't know where the taxes are going. Not unless they tell us where the taxes go, then we cannot accept the statement from the minister. These people have been disadvantaging education since they came to the office, because there is no time when they have released a half of the capitation. This year alone, the government, the parliament has voted 702 billion. The previous year, it was 652 billion. So we were wondering, where does this money go? Yet they are financing ghost schools. They are also financing what they are calling empowerment. Where are they taking the taxpayers' money? They should tell us. A mere statement that we cannot finance free education cannot be accepted by Kenyans. You know, it's interference with the quality of education. We are stealing the future of the young people. So we are telling the government to sit down and look for money to finance education. We are not going to accept, because we are giving them taxes. We are the most highly taxed people in the world. So when you tell us you cannot finance education, then you have no business in running a government.
Senator wa Busia Okiya Omtata ne thirite akemeria maseneta bangi akiwa batirithirite bakirita nguyo ya kuthuya thirikari cia county no raba utumira mbesa kiaria ethete akiwa maseneta babe ta magavana na kwarania ya core no ntuti ngavana kinyomo yukiriwe talia kiwatho kana kinya umo kuoneka buigi utumiri bwa mbesa cia county kinya nara kwithirite kwitumirwa mbesa ni tumiri bothoku.
The process at CPAC is really one that can achieve very little. Because one, CPAC lacks the expertise. If you look at people who sit in CPAC, we don't have the expertise to be able to do the kind of work Mr. Mchera has done on these books. Number two, CPAC only looks at what the Auditor General presents. It does not go down to ask for documents from the county direct. Number three, CPAC interrogates the governor instead of interrogating the account holders, people who spend the money, the chief officers. Those are the people who should be coming to CPAC to answer questions how the accounts have done. But because it's largely a public relations exercise, where governors come and they meet the senators, largely public relations for me, is that they end up interrogating the governor, and the governor ends up flailing his hands. The Auditor General says they can't confirm anything. Yet the law requires the Auditor General to confirm that an audit report should tell Parliament whether money was lost or not, whether it was used lawfully or not. Hardly do you get that. You always get inconclusive reports from the Auditor General.
Arato kwenye muthi wa Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja gucokeria ngatho na tubuko watanirite na unite na mbere kurumira Weru weekend.